preferential creditors. One is overriding preferential creditor and another one preferential creditor. What is mean by preferential creditor? Section 376 of Companies Act 2013 provides that subject to the provisions of section 326. नीचे वाले के override, these are overriding except to 326, except to 326, 327 says is that except to provisions of section 326, following are the preferential creditors shall be paid in priority to the unsecured creditors. These preferential creditors are also unsecured creditors, but while paying the payment, these will be given priority over the unsecured creditors. Security or floating charge वाले और दूसरे वाले छोड़ के okay, so before paying the unsecured creditors and creditors having security or floating charge, जो डिबेंचर होल्डर्स होते हैं आपके, they will be having floating charge. Before them, these will be paid. Who are those? One, all revenues नहीं है, taxes है, and rates become due and payable by the company. Wait a minute, boss. Preferential creditor as a preferential creditor. As a preferential creditor, we need to pay all revenues, taxes. This is taxes, not dues. This is taxes, boss. Okay. Next point is relating to taxes. All wages and salaries of employees in respect of services rendered to the company due for a period not exceeding 4 months within said 12 months period. See, before the winding up, you are considering 12 months. Out of 12 months, before the date of winding up, 12 months period, maximum 4 months salary you can pay or wages you can pay maximum 4 months. Suppose a person's salary is 1000 rupees per month. 1000 rupees per month. You have not paid for 6 months. As a preferential creditor, you can pay only 4 months. 4 months salary. So 4 months will become how much? 4 months will become how much? 1000 into 4 months. 4000 rupees. 4000 rupees are maximum. Okay, maximum 20,000. Whichever is less should be paid. Existing limit 20,000 rupees है. इससे पहले 1000 rupees था. अभी 20,000 का लिमिट हो गया. So suppose you are having a person, employee, salaried employee, he is having salary payable per month 1000 rupees and you due him for 6 months. You can pay only 4 months salary as preferential. Sir, what about other 2 months? Other 2 months you can pay as unsecured creditor, not as a preferential creditor. Preferential creditor के जैसे आप कितने महीने का पे कर सकते हैं? 4 months. You can't avoid payment first. If you are having sufficient funds, you need to pay as unsecured creditor. Okay. Suppose his salary is 10,000 per month. 10,000 into 4 months, it will become 40,000. Can you pay 40,000? No. No. Maximum as a preferential creditor, how much you can pay? 20,000 only you can pay. Remaining you need to pay as unsecured creditor. Sir, पूरा salary कितना है? 10,000 into 6 months will become 60,000. Out of this, 20,000 you are paying as preferential creditor. Remaining 40,000 you need to pay as unsecured creditor. Don't ever as a preferential creditor. Maximum as a preferential creditor you can pay 20,000. If it is less than that, that amount will be paid. Remaining maximum you can pay 4 months salary. Suppose there are three employees, into 3 करना है बस, into 3 each of them. Don't take aggregately, individually you take. एक एक का अलग अलग check करना, right? There is one question also on this. Okay. All accrued holiday remuneration become payable to employee on account of winding up. Holidays कुछ है तो वो amount भी pay करना है. Paid wages, leaves should be paid. Unless company is being wound up voluntarily for the purpose of reconstruction or amalgamation, all contributions payable within 12 months prior to winding up of the company under the employee state insurance, ESI, PF, these are all statutory payments. Provident fund, see here, workman compensation fund. Suppose कोई employee है, is injured while working. Okay, is injured while working. तो डॉक्टर ने उसको बोला, डॉक्टर has said him to take rest for 3 months. So 3 months whatever rest period you are allowing him as a paid wages. तो उसको पे करना है. You can't avoid. तुम ऑफिस को नहीं आ रहे, नहीं पे करते, ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोलना. वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन अंडर एक्ट ही विल कम. सो ऑल these you need to consider as preferential payments. Sir, then what are overriding payments? As per section 326, following are overriding preferential creditors. Workman dues, as I said, compensation वाला नहीं, dues है. And amount due to secured creditors as could not be realized by the because of pari passu charge in favor of workmen over the security held by them. See, some secured creditors will be there, like mortgage of building. Okay, mortgage रखे building के ऊपर. So mortgage रखे building के ऊपर on building, and building worth is 10 lakhs and you have taken 8 lakhs loan from them. After selling the building at the time of winding up, if you have realized 7 lakhs, total 7 lakhs should be paid to whom first? These secured creditors first you need to pay. These are secured creditors. As a overriding preferential creditors, secured creditors should be paid first. Sir, what about remaining 1 lakh? That will become unsecured. Sir, suppose after selling the building, you have got 17 lakhs and you need to pay 8 lakhs. So entire 8 lakh will be paid. Remaining amount will be used for other payments. From the mortgage of building. This is what overriding creditors and preferential creditors. Relating to this, there is one small illustration problem. Let us see that illustration problem also here in this page. Okay, now we need to identify which one will come under which category. वो प्रिफरेंशियल वाला है या अनसेक्योर्ड क्रेडिटर है, वो डिसाइड करना आपको. ओके, वेदर प्रिफरेंशियल क्रेडिटर और अनसेक्योर्ड क्रेडिटर. See here, we are having a question illustration. From the following particulars, ascertain the preferential creditors list C and list E. Okay. आप ये बताओ C में आएगा E में आएगा, मैं बाजू में लिख देता हूँ. लिस्ट C में कौन से वाला, लिस्ट E में कौन से वाला. ओके. Income tax, revenues and taxes to the government, so list C preferential. Excess duty, list C. 4 months wages payable to 5 workers at 500 per month. Each worker का कितना होता देखो पहले. ओके, 4 into 500, how much? 4 5 are
4 5 are 20.
20 means 2000. 2000 is per one worker. Maximum you can pay up to 20,000. So here it is less than 20,000. So you will pay 2,000 as what? Preferential creditors. वैसे कितने हैं? 5 workers are there. 5 into 2,000, 10,000 we need to pay. Okay, 10,000 we need to pay. Like this we need to analyze. And 8 employees. Okay, 4 months salary payable to 8 employees. 4 month per month, 1,000 rupees per month. So 1,000 into 4 months, how much it is? Maximum we can pay for 4 months as per the provisions under section 326. So 4,000 it is becoming 4,000. So it is also less than 20,000. Less than 20,000. So 4,000. To how many workers you need to pay? 8 employees. So 8 employees into 4,000, it will become 8 4s are 32,000 you need to pay as preferential creditor. Expenses of investigation payable to the company, ये भी C में आएगा. Contingent liability on bills discounted estimated to wrong. ये contingent liability E category में आता है. This is normal liability. Trade creditors, ये भी unsecured creditor है. Bills payable unsecured E में आएगा. Then director's fees, director is not an employee, so we will consider it as unsecured वाला. So E category में आते हैं. Salary payable to managing director, he is also managing director, is not an employee, because to become managing director you should become a shareholder. Shareholder will become owner. Okay, so owners को लास्ट में पैसे देते हैं अपन वाइंडिंग अप में. अमाउंट ड्यू टू एम्प्लॉइज फ्रॉम प्रोविडेंट फंड, ग्रेट्युटी फंड, ये जो ग्रेट्युटी फंड प्रोविडेंट फंड है सी कैटेगरी में आते. टेलीफोन रेंट पेएबल टू फॉर 2 months, टेलीफोन नॉर्मल expenditure, so this comes under E. Liability under workman compensation C. Rent due to landlord for 2 months, this comes under unsecured E. अभी आंसर देखेंगे फटाफट, आपका सही उत्तर है कि नहीं देखेंगे, जो भी ऊपर बताए. See, here we are having income tax, excess duty, expenses on investigation payable to by the company, amount due to employees for provident fund, gratuity fund, liability under workmen compensation act, wages 4 months, 5 workers, so 4 into 5 into 500, it is becoming 10,000, salary 4,000 into 8, 32,000. Next, trade creditors, bills payable, directors, managing director, contingent liability वाले. सर कभी कभी ऐसे परेशान करने वाले क्वेश्चंस भी आ जाएंगे, प्लीज बी केयरफुल. ओके, and sometimes what he will do, he will put this under a question. ये आपको दूसरे क्वेश्चन में इंक्लूड करेगा. मैं आज आपको वैसे वाला क्वेश्चन समझाने जा रहा हूं. So wait a minute, before that I'll make one thing. Rajkumar, बातें करो यार. राजकुमार, ओपन योर स्पीकर बस. माइक ऑन करो. नींद में हो क्या? Rajkumar, make me host again. I made you host. Or allow me screen sharing. Meeting settings में जाके. हेलो राजकुमार. Go to participants and make me host again. अरे, otherwise I can't do screen sharing.
हो गया सर उन्होंने.
कॉल करो उसको कोई.
नंबर नहीं है.
अरे राजकुमार, अरे by mistake I made him as a host यार.
सर उन्होंने लगता है क्लास चालू करके छोड़ के ऐसे ही चले गया. कुछ तो और यूज कर रहा हूँ उन्होंने.
वही तो है ना. अभी मैं बाय मिस्टेक रक्षिता को बनाने का होस्ट उनको बना दिया. आर देख के नाम आर से स्टार्ट हो गया तो उसको बना दिया मैंने. थोड़ा कोई उसको कॉल करो और बोलो.
नंबर नहीं है सर
ग्रुप में उसका नंबर, उसका ग्रुप में नंबर रहेगा अपना. बंदा अगली बार अलो नहीं करता उसको मैं. We can't end also no. रक्षिता पॉज में रखो थोड़ी देर रिकॉर्डिंग. नहीं उसको ही लगाओ. रक्षिता पॉज में जो रखे वो कंटिन्यू करो. हाँ. Question number 29 we are dealing. Bekar Limited went into voluntary liquidation. The details regarding the liquidation are as follows. 1. 2008% preference shares of 100 rupees each fully paid up. How much it will become? 2 lakhs. This is their share capital. Class A, 2000 equity shares of 100 rupees each, 75 paid up. 1,50,000. 2000 into 75, 1,50,000. Right? Do the calculations also. If anything wrong, you tell me. Then B class, 1600 equity shares of 100 rupees each, 60 rupees paid into 60, 1600 into 60, 96,000. 16 6 are 96. Next, C category, class C, 1400 equity shares of 100 rupees each, rupees 50 paid up. 14 into 50, 70,000. This is the paid up capital. This is the paid up capital till now. Assets including machinery realized 4,20,000. Liquidation expenses 15,000. So from assets realized, first we will deduct this 15,000. Okay, that is the priority while doing the answer. Bekar Limited has borrowed a loan 50,000 from a Patel Brothers against mortgage of machinery. Mortgage of machinery which realized 80,500. This 4,20,000 includes this 80,000 amount, 80,500 amount also. So secured loan, this is the priority, overriding preferential creditor है ये, पहले इनको पे करना है सबसे पहले, इवन प्रिफरेंशियल क्रेडिटर से पहले, इवन प्रिफरेंशियल क्रेडिटर से पहले you need to pay overriding preferential creditor. So out of 80,500 you can easily pay off, out of 80,500 you can easily pay off the 50,000, and surplus 30,500 will be utilized for the payment of other liabilities. So 4,20,000 में से पहले क्या पे करना, liquidation expenses, then Patel Brothers mortgage loan, secured loan 50,000. Okay, so from 4,20,000 you deduct 15,000 first, then we need to deduct 50,000 as secured loan. Remaining amount अभी के लिए 3,55,000 है अपने पास, 3,55,000. Correct me if I am wrong. Then in the books of the company, salaries of 4 clerks, please remember 4 clerks for 4 months at the rate of 300. अच्छा, 4 clerk है. How many clerks are there? 4 clerks. For 4 months we need to pay. 4 clerks, 4 months at 300. पहले पूरा अमाउंट कितना हो रहा, पूरा अमाउंट कितना हो रहा, 4,800. Is it 4,800? 4 clerks, 4 4 is 16, 16 3 is 48. So this is what we need to pay to whom? 4 clerks, salary to 4 clerks at the rate of 300. Simply first we need to see whether it is more than 20,000 or not. As per section 326, maximum you can pay to each employee 20,000, but each employee का यहाँ पे कितना हो रहा, 4 months, 4 months into 300, it is only 1,200. So per employee it is 1,200, per employee it is 1,200, 4 employees के लिए 4,800. No problem, you can pay 4,800 because this is the lesser amount, 20,000 से कम है. Next, salary of 4 peons. वैसे 4 peons भी है कहते, 4 peons, each peon 3 months salary at the rate of 150. Maximum 4 months we can pay. Here he is having only 3 months, 3 months. Okay, into 150 each, 150 each. How much it is becoming? 1,800. Together, all together it is becoming 1,800. Individually you can pay maximum 20,000. So total you can pay it. Total you can pay it. For each employee, if you compare each employee with the section, 3 peons के जगह पे each employee ले लो. Each peon means 1 peon, not 3 peons.